am so happy to be home. That was a long day. These plants look good. This place is a pigsty as usual. I guess I should check the fridge. Yes, there is nothing in here. I don't eat. I am a droid. I guess I can empty the dishwasher. My wife will be happy with this. I don't really know how to do this properly, so I'll just do it how I think is right. Oh my god. I could make a cup of tea for my master. But I killed my master and I don't drink tea. I guess I will do some vacuum cleaning. I don't know how to get these cords out. I have so much trouble with these cords. I don't know what to do with these cords. Oh my god. I don't really know what to do, but there appears to be a lot of dust, so I think I will just vacuum everything inside.